Hello, this is my second video. Today is the 13th of September 2023. This video today is going to be, as you can see on the right side, I have the daily chart open for E-mini S&P 500, and on the left side I have the daily chart open for the E-mini Nasdaq. Well, this video is going to be about my bias for the upcoming weeks or days. Well, to put that out there, this is not financial advice. This YouTube channel, and I made it clear in the first video that this YouTube channel is for journaling only, and for me to take notes on what I'm doing and committing myself to my opinion, putting it out there to make myself feel committed to what I say. So yeah, well, as you can see, I have the daily chart open. What I have marked out on the charts here are this fair value gap right here on the S&P 500 or E-mini S&P and E-mini Nasdaq right here. The past couple of days have been kind of consolidation, and well, we'll see what's gonna happen right here on the Nasdaq. We're gonna run through this to the upside again. It seems like we found support at the consequent encroach in CE of this daily fair value gap right here. So whatever, this daily chart looks kind of a mess to me, and I really wanna get more clarity by going to the weekly chart, both the weekly charts actually. For me, E-mini S&P and E-mini Nasdaq, out of those two, I feel like E-mini S&P is a little bit more clear to me, and I was expecting a retracement after we swept these lows right here, and I had a target for that, and that we would trade at least up into this fair value gap right here. Well, it looks good because we respected this inverted fair value gap right here, traded all the way up and covered this one. Well, it didn't quite cover it all, but we tapped into it, and now we've started to break a little bit to the downside. As it looks a little bit different on the daily chart, but on the weekly chart I have a little bit more clarity. It looks a little bit better. Well, what I would like to see is we have a couple of imbalances, as you can see here on the E-mini Nasdaq. We have these two imbalances right here, which have yet to be filled on the weekly time frame, and we have these two imbalances that have yet to be filled on the S&P weekly time frame. We didn't quite reach it. Looked like we were going to reach it right here, but we didn't reach it. Instead, we respected this old fair value gap right here, had a leg to the upside, swept these lows, traded up to this one. And for the upcoming weeks, this is going to be a very short video, so if you're looking for longer videos, I'm sorry about that, but what I would like to see in the next couple of weeks, I would like to see price try to come down and cover these and take out these lows on the way. I'm not sure. I mean, Nasdaq has a little bit more room to go, so I feel like if we reach this big weekly fair value gap here on the Nasdaq, we might trade all the way down to this one right here on S&P. So we'll see about that, but for now my bias is to the downside for the next couple of weeks. That's relative to change. That's just bound to what's gonna happen in the next couple of days. I will be back probably on Friday or Sunday to do another video. We'll see what's gonna happen then, but for now I would like to see the market retrace on the weekly time frame before we get another big leg up on the weekly chart. Well, this is the weekly chart, so note that this might not happen tomorrow, and is relative to change. So bear that in mind. Well, I just have to remind you that none of my videos are financial advice. Go into the charts and take a look for yourself. Please, just if you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section. If you have your opinion or anything, just leave it. I'll read it. You can criticize me. That's all right. I am still learning, so I would like to get everybody's opinion. So yeah, but this is my weekly bias, and this is it for the video. I hope you have a good rest of the week, and I will see you either on Friday or Sunday. We'll just see how I will spend my time. Thank you for watching if you made it through the video, and bye bye.